Hello students, welcome to Student Shell. So here we are with the second chapter of chemistry, that is acids, bases and salts. Now believe me, out of all the chapters that you have in chemistry, this is the one that you can relate to maximum. Because we have these compounds around us almost all the times, sometimes maybe without even realizing. So from lemon to washing powder, there is practical application of these compounds. So let us start with this chapter. So the last chapter that we studied was chemical compounds and chemical reactions. So after that chapter, if I ask you what are acids, bases and salts, if you tell me these are chemical compounds, you are absolutely right. So acids are chemical compounds with certain properties. They'll have some properties in common. Bases are another set of chemical compounds and salts are another set. So now in this chapter, our goal is to understand what acids, bases and salts are. Secondly, we'll be looking at the properties of acids, bases and salts. So when I say property, I mean both physical properties. These are the properties which tell me about the characteristic of that material without having undergone any chemical change. For example, if I have an acid in my hand and if I check its melting point, boiling point, then I say these are the physical properties because it did not undergo any chemical change. And also we'll be learning about the chemical properties. That is, the characteristics of acids or bases when it undergoes a chemical change. So what happens when an acid or this set of compound is reacted with oxygen or when it is reacted with carbon dioxide? The changes that we find, we say these are the chemical properties. So we'll be learning about that. Next, we'll be learning about what salts are and how are they formed. That is their formation. Again, properties of salts. And finally, we'll be looking at the wide range of applications of acid, bases and salts in our daily life. So this was the bird's eye view of this chapter. Now let us start in detail.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe for all our future videos.